Hi everyone, and welcome back in part 2 of this section, Primitive Data Types. In the last video, we were introduced to the concept of variables and how they act as boxes that store data, and also represent data that's stored inside. And we mentioned that defining a variable in Java takes that form. Data type space variable name equals to the value, where the data type represents the box size to store inside it, where not all data fits in all boxes, while the variable name is like the label you stick on that box, while the value is the stuff you put or store inside that box. Where in Java we have two categories of data types or box sizes, primitive data types and non-primitive data types, also called reference variables. So let's see first primitive data types, or for short primitives. Primitives is a collection of some data types that are built in and predefined in Java, or say boxes shipped with Java. And you don't have to make them, just use them. In contrast to non-primitive data types that you as a programmer will make by yourself. And we will talk about non-primitives later. But for primitives, there are 8 data types, or say 8 different box sizes that fall under primitives, where each one could store a specific type of data, and they are byte, short, int, long, float, double, boolean, and char. But let's put them in a classification form to be more readable, where integers are used to store integer numbers or whole numbers, while floating points or fractions are used to store numbers with fractions or decimal places. Then boolean, and we will learn about later in this section. And also we have character data types. And what differs each data type from the others is the value it can hold. Some data types could only hold the letters, other types could hold numbers. Even the numbers data types are not the same. The data type to hold the number 1 for sure will be different from that holds 1 million or 1 billion, and also different from the data types that can hold fractions, as 1.5 or 10.5 and so on. So let's see the type of data each data type can hold, but let's continue in the next video. So see you.